Hey guys, I'm running a little bit late today, but I do still have enough time to make myself a coffee, so that is exciting. I am finishing off, I bought chocolate Premier Protein after I decided that I like the vanilla better in my coffee, so I'm finishing this one just so that I'm not wasteful because these are quite expensive. And what else have I had? I've had a banana, which I never show you, but I promise I had bananas. And that's it. Just a whole, I filled this whole mason. I just almost said a mason cup jar. Oh my goodness. With water, no ice. So I've already had a decent serving of water today, which is great. And I think I'm going to pack myself some grapes, but I have to get Liam a lunch as well. So actually, I might have already done it. You know when like you're super efficient, but you don't have 100% confidence that you did do something? Well, I'm assuming I'm supposed to keep this at home, reading at home. Okay. How cute is this? They did like a little... It's so funny. You can tell that they know what they're dealing with kindergartners because everything is in like a waterproof, indestructible baggie. They ain't no fools. All right. So I cleaned this folder. And these are, I think I already showed you his lunch bag, but hold on one second. I didn't. I'm really glad that I checked because I did it yesterday and clearly not today. But usually for Liam, for my go-tos, I give him an applesauce pouch. Woo! For a long time, he was having some bowel issues, so we weren't giving him a lot of dairy, but now he's doing well. So I'm giving him an applesauce pouch, a yogurt, and usually something quick and prepackaged. He's told me he doesn't like... Shame. He doesn't like these, but I guess the selfish part of me says, okay, more for mom then. I'm going to give him some pretzels. Just because that's the only thing that we have in like a pre-portioned bag right now. But yes, let me get this packed up and I will do my little coffee thing. And I thought I was going to get some grapes, but it's already 11:55 and we have to be out of here. But anyways, let me switch this off and I will show you my coffee. Alright guys, so I just got home from dropping Liam off. I went to 2 grocery stores to try and find a specific kind of cheese and the lowest percentage fat beef that I could find. The lowest I could find was 93%, which kind of stinks because the recipe that I wanted to make tonight and tomorrow called for 95%, and they don't have it. So unfortunately my recipe is going to be higher points than what the person... Actually, I'm making 2 of Emily Bite's recipes. Tonight I'm making a pasta bake, and then tomorrow I'm making her cottage pie, which is kind of like a shepherd's pie, but I guess I found out... Nice! I found out that shepherd's pie is actually made traditionally with lamb, and cottage pie, I guess in Britain, is the one with beef. So I learned that last night at like 11 o'clock at night when I was reading her blog in bed. I've decided that my initial trial of these recipes I'm not going to film because I'm just sort of figuring it out for myself. But I made a recipe last night and it was absolutely delicious. It was the cheesy, what was it? Cheesy chicken and broccoli bake. It was like her bubble up. Oh, so good. So yes, it is currently 2:11 and it's 62 degrees out. So I'm gonna get my butt and my boys' butts outside. I'm sorry if you can hear that loud noise because Brody is decided to set up shop directly underneath me and have his loud tablet blaring. But anyways, I'm gonna get like a light jacket on just because it's not warm enough for me to just go outside wearing this. I don't even know if I have, oh I do. I have my like spring coat, so I'm gonna wear that. But yeah, I am excited. I think I'm actually gonna put the twins in their stroller just because they're not used to like long distance walks and it's been winter, so we haven't been outside that much. Alright guys, so tonight for dinner I'm making the Emily Bites layered pasta bake. So I have my ground beef going, I have my water starting to boil for my penne, and then I have my pre-greased cooking, oh my god, baking dish, thank you. My oven is preheating to 375, and then over here I just have the rest of my ingredients ready to go. And I'm actually just, so you need 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. I'm just kind of letting this sit out of the fridge. So hoping that's sufficient. All right guys, so I'm in the process of layering this pasta bake. So it's similar to a lasagna where you have like a layer of the meat sauce, a layer of pasta, a layer of cheese, and then you kind of repeat it, and then you're gonna top it with cheese. So I just have to do my last layer and then pop it in the oven for, I believe, 25 to 30 minutes. All right guys, I'm gonna pop this in the oven. I did just confirm it's 25 to 30 minutes uncovered. So here we go. I always have to do this one-handed, and it makes me poop my pants a little bit because it's so heavy. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do timer. I'm gonna just set it for 30, and yeah, and I'm just gonna keep my eye on it. Sorry, weird angle. You're like literally sitting on a cupcake tin. So I know for a fact my points are likely going to be higher than hers because I had to use a higher percentage fat meat. I didn't have fat-free sour cream, I only had light. Although she used 2% mozzarella cheese. This sounds stupid, but I don't know if 2% is fat-free. But I used fat-free, Kraft fat-free mozzarella. What else? I think otherwise, and I don't know, my pasta didn't come in, she had said in her ingredients, it was like a 13.25 ounce box of wheat or, I think it was just wheat or protein enriched flour. No, oh my God, it's been a long day. Wheat or protein enriched penne. And my box, I believe, is 16 ounces. So I'm gonna have to calculate that, but it does yield 8 servings, and I will plug this all in while I wait and let you guys know. All right, guys, so these are the things in the recipe that were points. So obviously I used this entire box of, it was the Barilla whole grain penne. And hers, like I said, it only called for like 13.25 ounces. This is 16 ounces. So this was higher in points. My meat, I obviously don't, I'm sorry. All right, pretend that there's meat here. I use 93.7 lean ground beef. She asked for, or called for 95%, so unfortunately I had to take a hit there. I went to 2 different grocery stores today and could not find any leaner than 93%. So we're doing what we can. So that was 1 pound, 2.4 ounces. So I just used all of it. I wasn't gonna just only use 1 pound, but she did call for only 1 pound of 95% lean ground beef, so I took a hit there. She had called for fat-free sour cream. I used this, took a hit there. The Cardina paste was some points. I think it was like 5 points. I used a cup of this, and then I used 4 ounces of this, which was half of the 1/3 less fat Philadelphia cream cheese. This was 0 points, and then the rest of it was just like water, egg, and then spices. So mine is coming out to 12 smart points per piece, and it's gonna yield 8 pieces. So I'm excited. Let's see how it's looking. I'm sorry, it's so messy. I even tried to clean this, and I have to do like a deep cleaning of my oven with like baking soda and stuff like that, vinegar. But yeah. That's what it's looking like. So this is 1 serving and looks delicious. I'm excited to eat it. So this is 12 smart points again, after I put all the ingredients I specifically used in my recipe builder. If you do make this, I would definitely recommend that you put the exact ingredients you use in your recipe builder, because the points do end up being different from obviously mine. Emily Bites was lower in points than mine because I didn't have the same things. But yeah, I'm excited to eat this. Do you like it, baby? Yeah. It's good? Do you like it, baby?
Mm-hmm. Who puts a plastic fork with a glass plate?
Listen.
Who does this?
The biatch who does the dishes.
My dog is saying bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. You like it? This one's a big hit.
And they say bye-bye to cat.
Oh, what's the cat's name? Is it Chloe?
No, it's a doggy movie.
I know, but what's the kitty's name? Bubba, it's cheese. Really? You're gonna wipe it on the table? Is it good? You're savage. What are you doing?
Why don't that? All the little fruit.
All the little food?
Is it ready?
I need to dry.
You need to dry it?
Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous with the
You got that?
Yeah. I'm gonna cook the rest of that.
Gentle Brady, don't. Good job.
That's it.
Are you washing the dishes for me? My goodness. I'm getting spoiled today. Thank buddy.
I washed it.
Great job. Thanks, pal. Whoop. All right. Don't drink.
No.
You have to go like this. The drain is plugged.
Oh no, other one.
Pull it up. There you go. See? It drained. All gone. Bye-bye. Good job, Brady. This is one of those moments when you know you should probably help, but I just want to see how self-sufficient he can be. All right, we got our soap. Okay, that's enough soap, buddy. Scooting over. Whoop, whoop. Careful. Nice job. Good job, Brady. Whoop.
The soap out of the way.
It'll drain. Okay.
Okay, it's draining.
Okay, bye, soap.
My hands are all water again.
Okay, well, here's the next step.
Oh.
I'll pull some. Here you go. Just for you. You did such a good job. I'll help you. I'll put, oh, we almost need more of this. I got it. Nope. Oh. Here, I'll rinse it off. Nope, you already dried your hands, pal. Okay, we're gonna double wash with that little speck of soap.
Can I see it fill?
What?
Can I see it?
No, we're not gonna fill the sink. All done. All right, guys, it is workout time. I didn't work out this morning and I should have, so I'm working out later. But it's 8:08 right now. I'm gonna do 30 minutes on the elliptical downstairs in my basement. And then I'm gonna do probably the same cardio, or, no. What are you doing? Molly, up. Up. The dog is sitting on the basement stairs. Come on. No. Why? Go. Stay. I don't know what your deal is. You just went outside. Being really weird. So yeah, I think I'm probably gonna do virtually the same workout that I did yesterday morning. Oh, it's chilly down here. I know I'm gonna be sweaty in a minute, so it's not gonna matter, but I hate when you're cold. This, like, the thought of working out in a cold basement, I hate it so much, but it is what it is. Anyways, let's get this workout done. Hi, creeper. What's up? Hi, double creepers.
Logan wants to tell you something.
What do you want to tell me, Bubba? 52 seconds left. Oh, my fingers are so sweaty. I hope I don't drop my phone. Workout done. I'm still really out of shape, but you know what? One day at a time. I haven't worked out, like legitimately haven't worked out once, besides like playing with my kids, which isn't really a workout at this point. It's been like a year and a half, maybe. It's bad. I can honestly say the last time that I was truly in a groove with exercising was probably when I was pregnant with my first child, which was in 2013. That's 6 years ago. I just remember, I mean, I've done like one isolated workout here and there over the years, but like I never got into a routine. So that is my goal. I really want to make sure I'm doing that. Okay, now I just want to do my calisthenics and stuff. So I think I'm gonna go upstairs into my the kids' toy room, just because it's carpeted and I can do everything in that area. But let me see. All right, I know this looks so ridiculous because I see people on the Instagram posting and it's like 600 calories, 800. Oh, what is this doing? Hold on. Oh, I got a new exercise record. And what else do I got? February challenge. Cool. So yes, I'm happy with myself that I burned 323 calories, 283 active calories. That's my average heart rate. 183. So that's good. I am beat. Ugh. That was embarrassing. I gotta study the technique of burpees again. That's a killer at the end of a workout too. Workout done. It's 9 o'clock. Hey guys, sorry this is bad lighting and I look like absolute garbage, but...
I apologize, you look great.
Oh, thanks. I just wanted to close out the vlog. I just had... Can I have this for a second? My husband's eating the other half, but I just had half of this Eat 'n Light chocolate peanut butter ice cream. As you can tell, I love this stuff. I had it, I think, in the last 2 vlogs. So I had half, which is 5 smart points, and my husband is eating the other half. I did get 3 activity points for the 30 minutes on the elliptical. I actually haven't been calculating like the calisthenics part of it, but I'm not going to even eat those points because I figure I'd just rather burn the calories. But anyways, that is it. I hope everyone has a wonderful night and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.